Welcome to another Lego haul episode in which I spend money on Lego and share it with all of you. Let's see what we got. First, this giant package from Lego pre-Black Friday VIP sale. First thing in that giant package is this Lego VIP baking set. You had to spend $65 or more on select themes like Friends, Lego City, Dots maybe. I'm just gonna open this up right away and see what's inside. So there's what we've got in there. 3 cookie cutters, so Lego minifigure cookie cutter, minifigure head, and a little like 1x2 brick. And then this little tiny molds pan. That's a cute little box of fun stuff. Comment below if you think I should use these to bake some cookies or something. And then another gift with purchase. This is Lego set number 40564. Winter Elves scene. I believe that this scene should like connect to the one from last year with the reindeer. We will see. Also, there's another gift with purchase coming later, probably in December of this year, that is supposed to also connect to this. I think it's like Santa's workshop. And the final gift with purchase that I got is this set, number 40563, Tribute to Lego House. For this set, you had to spend $250 to get, I believe. Moving on to the really good stuff. As I mentioned, you had to spend $65 or more on themes like Lego Friends, Lego City, in order to get the baking set. So I spent my $65 or more on this Friends set. This is set number 41709, and it is the Vacation Beach House. I really liked the Lego Friends Main Street building set, so I thought this one would be a fun one to try out. Plus, it's retiring soon, so, had to snag it for that reason. There's the back of it as well. I'm excited about this one, so you can see the front and the back. Okay, moving on to the final 2 sets that I got specifically from this weekend. This is Lego set number 21328, and this is the Lego Ideas Seinfeld set. This one is also retiring at the end of the year. So all you Seinfeld fans out there better stay tuned for this build. And the final set that I purchased from pre-Black Friday VIP weekend, The Office Lego Ideas set. Number 21336. So just like Seinfeld, if you are an Office fan, stay tuned for this build. And there will be plenty of TikToks revolving around this set as well. So those are all the sets that I got from VIP weekend for early Black Friday shopping. But this next part I call my birthday haul. Still Lego that I spent money on to share with you all, but a birthday haul nonetheless. These sets came from Target because they have great deals, so let's get into it. So first I got 3 small Friends sets. First up here we've got set number 41694. This is the Pet Clinic Ambulance with Stephanie and Ethan. Then we've got set number 41697, Turtle Protection Rescue Set with Emma and Layla. And lastly, we've got set number 41719, which is the Mobile Fashion Boutique with Stephanie and Camila. If you're sad that the OG Lego friends will be no more after this year, definitely stay tuned for these builds. And then I've got 3 Disney sets. Set number 43201, Isabela's Magical Door. Set number 43200, Antonio's Magical Door. Can you guess what the third set is? I'll give you a moment. I bet you guessed it right. Set number 43202, the Madrigal House. I know. I should have gotten these Encanto sets a long time ago, but I was waiting for a deal. This set is usually $49.99. I got it at Target for $39.99. These sets are usually $19.99. I got one of them for $15.99 and one of them for $13.99, and honestly, I don't know which one was which. So in total for this Lego haul, I got 1, 1 baking set. So that's this week's episode of Lego Haul. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to do all the YouTubey things. Like, comment, subscribe, and tell me which set you want to see me build first. See you in the next one. Happy building, everyone.